Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to subscribe to a lens creator in Snapchat. If you want to stay updated with the latest lenses from your favorite creators, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section by default. Skip the camera for now and go straight to the lens. Step 3. Tap and hold on the lens icon, which is located in the center of the screen. By doing so, a menu will appear with various options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Subscribe to Creator's Name. This option allows you to subscribe to the lens creator and stay updated with their latest lenses. By following these simple steps, you can easily subscribe to a lens creator in Snapchat, ensuring that you never miss out on their newest and most exciting lenses. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.